How to verify phone number on Discord. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily verify phone number on Discord. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you're going to find the U section at the bottom right corner where you're able to edit all of your profile. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you land to the settings page, head over to account. And right here, you're going to have your username, your display name, your email, and then finally your phone number. Just tap on phone number. And if you haven't added your phone number, just go ahead and add your phone number and then tap on next. And if the phone number is valid and running, they will send you a verification code to your SMS or your phone. And then once that is done, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on next and then verify the code. Once you verify the code, your phone number will be verified on your Discord account. That is it for this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.